or if you have persistent fever, bruising, bleeding, or paleness. Don't start Enbrel if you have an infection like the flu.
Joint pain and damage
can go side by side.
Ask how Enbrel can help relieve joint pain and help stop joint damage.
Enbrel, FDA approved for 18 years.